Alright, good morning. Today I'm going to be making a BLT with an egg on top, and I'm going to show you just how to do it. Okay, first thing we're going to do is start off with the bacon. So let's get it on the griddle. That's the main star of the show. Now, I'm going to do a whole pack. I've already got the griddle preheated. Now, I cook bacon on low. I like it to take its time, because it does wrinkle up really quick if you don't. Good thing is they got plenty of room across this big old griddle to make it happen. Alright. Looks like we got it right there. Now while it's cooking, as you see in some other videos, I use this tool right here, and I just put it on top of the bacon, and I'm going to be moving it around all the way down and just let it cook where it's nice and flat. So we'll be tuning back in just a couple minutes. Okay, we're on our very last one. Now, I'm going to pull this one off, move it to the side, and it's time to flip these dudes over. Look how beautiful. Look at the sizzling. You can see where that bacon is just about getting ready to go. Probably one more flip and we'll take it off and make it into our BLT. Bacon done. Now it's time to get the eggs going. Okay. Now I've got my egg holders here. We're going to cook them slowly on low. And I'm making 2 sandwiches, so all I need is 2 of them. Use a little bit of clarified butter. Can't beat that for the taste, folks. There we go. Let that melt in a little bit. Okay, spread it around. There we go, that's perfect now. Okay. Top it off with a little salt and pepper. Now, next part that we want to do is get the bread ready. Today I'm going to be using some artisan bread. What we want to do is get it coated, put it on the griddle. Can't go wrong with the spray butter, people. I'm telling you, that's just the easiest way to make it happen. We're going to do a light coat on both sides. So right now we're just going to let them toast up. Alright, we're going to spray the other side. Get them good and tasty. Okay, it don't take long. Oh my lordy, that is beautiful. Just what you want is a nice little golden brown. So now, time to get back to these eggs. Pull these little holders off. They're Blackstone. They're kind of like non-stick. So now, gonna slide them a little bit, make sure they ain't stuck. Now, I'm gonna make mine over easy. Just barely cook the other side. Okay. That's the way I like mine. So now the eggs are ready to come off because we don't want to overcook them. We got them ready next to the bacon. The bread, it is done too. So let's go ahead and get all the bread off. All right. Next step is to show you how to put it all together.